Does this mean that sinks do in fact drain opposite in the northern and southern hemispheres? Well, sadly, no. Because the Coriolis effect is really only noticeable the greater distance you're moving up or down from the equator. So unless you have a 5-mile wide sink, or if you make the most perfect of perfect conditions like my friends Destin and Derek showed,
the water is flowing clockwise due to the Earth's rotation.
The water is going counterclockwise because I'm in the northern hemisphere. It's real.
This effect is way too small to have any meaningful impact on the swirl directions of sinks and toilets, at which point it comes down to other factors like sink geometry, or the fact that the seemingly still water was actually still barely moving around when the plug was pulled. So then what about that tourist demo? Well, if you play it back and look closely, you can see at the end of his pour, he does this subtle twisting motion. So the water would just continue to swirl in the direction of the twist. So when he finishes the pour here, he twists this way and the water continues swirling that way. And then after moving the sink allegedly over the equator, he finishes his pour twisting the opposite direction. And then the water swirls in that opposite direction. In fact, you can easily recreate this demo yourself at home to see that by copying this method, you can also easily get a whirlpool in both directions.